Do you have a Volkswagen Golf Mk7 like that one and you've been locked out of your boot? Check out this video to find out how to open it. Hi there guys, welcome back to another Ross Perry Productions video, and welcome back to another video on the lovely 2015 Golf GTI Mk7. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to manually open the boot if your locking actuator is actually broken, and this would be the same for all Golf Mk7s. It doesn't need to be a GTI model. And it sounds silly, but I'm actually going to do this by using the key. Now you can use another flat instrument like a screwdriver or a knife, but the key does the job perfectly. Now for the sake of the video, I am going to open up the boot just so I can show you where we're going to go if you are locked out, and then I'll show you how to do it from inside the car as well. So what we're going to be doing is getting in this little compartment at the back there, which hopefully you can see. There we go. And we're just going to turn that. Now all that's going to show you is where this slot is. So if I just activate the lock by pretending my key's just locked into it like that, what we're going to do is we're going to put the key in to the left hand side there, and we're going to move it to the right, and that's actually opened it. Just to show you that again, I'm going to lock it. Sorry, doing this through the camera, but there you go, right, and then that opens it. So now to show you from inside the car. I'd recommend this is done from the right hand side just because it has the larger compartment, but we're going to go ahead and pull that down so we can actually climb into the boot. And once we're in there, we can just open up that compartment, and then we can put our key in, and that's actually opened up our boot. Sorry, a bit hard to do one-handed and show you on camera, but that's how easy it is to do. So there we go, nice, quick, simple video for you today. Sorry that was a bit hard to show on the camera. If you found that video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.